name is Alima.
Hi, I'm Ima.
Hi, I'm Lisa. Oh, by the Three Musketeers.
We are the Three Musketeers, actually.
Three troublemakers. I'm thankful to God that this is here. And I know that both of them are going to be happy forever. Amen.
Yeah, amen.
Kudos to them. More blessings, more wealth, and more life for both of them. Lee, we love you. We love you so much. Stay happy. Keep being you as usual.
I'll stop being
crazy. Thank you. And sweet. I love you.
We love your oil rice.
Oh! And your pepper.
Lee, on us, we wish you everything, all the good things in life, and we love you. We love you so much. We are glad that we got to be a part of it today. And then after the pregnancy stress, you know, but last we are here and it's been good so far. It's been amazing, wonderful, really amazing. And we want to see. I know I made you to take. Give us small children. Say godmothers everywhere now. Say godmothers everywhere. Show one first. Give us goddaughter first so that we'll know how far. Alright, babe. Nurse, please take care of our sister. We love you too. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Okay. Lee, aka Cookie is actually a sweet person, annoying. I like.
She's very annoying.
You go frustrate you, leave her so. But we are happy. At least we are here to celebrate her. I don't know how much it's because you said it all. So we wish you the very best in all you do. Your marriage shall be fruitful.
Amen.
Shall never regret getting married. Yeah. The blessing, the joy, the happiness when they follow marriage, they follow your marriage.
Amen.
Blessing will be your own. You try for us when we day school. Be lifesaver that year without your rice and branded paper.
Fighter.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Happy marriage life.
Bye. My name is Omo, and I've actually known the couple for, let's say, 3-4 years now, and they are actually very amazing people, awesome people. The first time I met Lee, okay, we spoke on phone at first, and the conclusion I had was that, okay, she's going to be a nice person and all that. So when I met her, she was very annoying, very annoying. But eventually, with time, we grew to know each other better and we got closer, and I realized that she's actually a very sweet person. She's kind, she's caring, and sincerely from the bottom of her heart, when she cares for you, to blow your mind. So, for Onos, we're not that close at first too. We were colleagues, and with time we became friends and all that, and now we're family. So it's really beautiful to witness this, because I witnessed the beginning of this relationship. Yes. And today I witnessed their wedding. Like, you can say we started from the bottom, now we're here. So I'm just so excited, I'm so happy. And I want to wish the couple a very blissful marriage. I want to pray that God continues to lead them, God continues to guide them. I wish them prosperity. I wish them beautiful kids, because I want beautiful